Hello everyone, and welcome to our first lesson on Introduction to Cryptocurrency. In this lesson, we are going to cover the definition and the history behind cryptocurrencies. Uh, I'm also going to share this as a PDF, the draft, so that you can read and get at it at your own time. So let's dive in. Definition. A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. It is decentralized and operates on technology called blockchain, which is a distributed ledger enforced by a network of computers called nodes. So, what is cryptography? Because we can see cryptocurrencies use it for security. Cryptography is the process of transforming plain text, which is readable data, just like what you can see from the screen, into ciphertext. And this is what you call encryption. And to reverse that, you do what you call a decryption. So encrypting and decrypting data is what you use mathematical algorithms called cryptography. So maybe you can check that out at your own time and learn more about it. So on decentralized, in the context of cryptocurrency, decentralized refers to a system or network that operates without a central authority or intermediary. So basically, it's a autonomous system. So no one really controls it. It doesn't have a central authority like an admin or a government personnel that controls it. Uh, Traditional financial systems such as banks or payment processors typically rely on centralized control and supervision. That's why if anything is wrong with your bank account, you'd call your bank or M-Pesa agent and they will resolve the issue for you. But in the case of cryptocurrencies, there is no central authority, so it's you and you alone. So it's your money, you move it whenever you want, however you want, whenever you want, and you have the freedom to do with it or deal with it on your own terms. However, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum aim to decentralize financial transactions and eliminate the need for intermediaries. So, uh, the thing or the aim or the purpose of these cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum is to eliminate the need for a central authority like the central bank. So whenever you need to move your money, you don't need to wait for M-Pesa network to be online or your bank to authorize your transaction. You can basically authorize and send your money or your bitcoins at your own time to whomever you want without any restriction or censorship. In a decentralized cryptocurrency system, transactions are verified, recorded, and secured by a distributed network of computers, uh, which we call nodes, uh, called a blockchain. Each node maintains a copy of the blockchain, which contains a complete history of all transactions. So each each node, this network of computers called nodes. So these nodes, they maintain a copy of the blockchain, and in this blockchain is where you have a complete history of all transactions. So whenever you send money, whenever you send your bitcoins, these transactions are recorded on these public ledgers. So anybody can go view it, but you cannot tell who that account belongs to. But you can see this address sent X amount of bitcoins to this address. And every node or every computer essentially contains a copy of this data. So even if you destroyed or you are able to change the records from one computer, you would have a million others with the original information. So this makes it very difficult to change or to alter the transactions. And as you remember before, we use cryptography to protect or encrypt that data so that no one can steal or change it before it is recorded in the blockchain. The distributed nature of the blockchain ensures that no single entity has complete control over the network. So basically, once the Bitcoin went live or went online, nobody can change it, nobody can shut it off, unless all the computers in the world that run these nodes or the blockchain went off. Then I don't see a way that someone can shut it or change it or alter it in any way. So this makes it one of the most, or if not the most secure system in the world. And I mean, why would you not have your money in this? The bank can decide to shut your account, suspend your account, but with Bitcoins, no one can do that. You have complete control of your money. Bitcoin doesn't know borders. You can send the money from Nairobi to Russia to the US without involving the central bank, avoiding all that paperwork, and nobody can block the transaction. So, as we said, they aim to decentralize the financial transaction and eliminate the need for intermediaries. So, this is a very great choice to put your money in. On what a blockchain is, since we didn't cover that, blockchain is a decentralized and distributed digital ledger. So ledger, if you've studied business in school, you know what ledgers are. So this is essentially how banks manage their accounts and your money. So every time you deposit or or withdraw money from your account, it is recorded in a ledger. You credit, so they either credit or debit your account. So in this blockchain, it also has the same ledgers like that the bank has, but these ledgers are decentralized and they're distributed. So they are running on all computers that the blockchain uh, is running. So this ledger technology that allows multiple participants to maintain a shared database without the need of a central authority. It is the underlying technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but its potential application to extend beyond digital currencies. So this basically the blockchain is basically the technology behind it, and it is not only limited to cryptocurrencies, but it can be applied in other various ways. So the history of cryptocurrencies. The first cryptocurrency created was Bitcoin, which was created in the year 2009 by an unknown person. So nobody knows who made Bitcoin, whether it's a group of people or one person, but they used a pseudonym, Satoshi Nakamoto. So whenever you hear of Satoshi Nakamoto, you know he's the creator or they are the creators of Bitcoin. And the creation of Bitcoin marked the beginning of digital currencies uh, as we know. So from Bitcoin, we went to Ethereum, Dogecoin, and a thousand other coins that came after that. This covers the first lesson. We're going to do a live session where you get to ask questions if you've not understood anything on this lesson. And on the next lesson, we are going to cover the different types of cryptocurrencies. So see you on the next lesson, and thank you.